Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video we will discuss about how we can make a game using C or C++. Okay, let me show you what this game will do. It's a snake game. The controls are: to go forward is W, to go left is A, to go down is S, and to go right is D. Okay, I will show you how you can play this game. You can see it's really difficult enough. Oh man. By the way, we can slow down the snake later on, and you can see our snake will be killed if we press any wrong key. For example, if the snake hits its own tail, the snake will be killed, and other things. Okay, let's see how we can write a program to make such game. Okay, launch dev C++. This game have a very long coding, so I am not gonna write in front of you like I do in my other programs. It's really a very long enough program, so if I start writing it, it will take up more than 20 minutes, so it will be very long for you to wait and very long for me to sit. First of all, what you have to do is include header file as iostream. Then you have to include the header file conio.h, and then you have to include the header file windows.h. Then you have to write using namespace std. Declare a variable of type bool. I have choose the name game over, you can whatever you want. Okay, next you have to declare two variables of type int, and they should be constant variables. One is width and the other is height. That is the border of the game. 2 pixels height, 20 pixels height and 20 pixels width. So let me show you. We are talking about this height and width. Okay, we have declared variables. One is x, other is y, fruit x, fruit y, and score. Then we have declared two arrays of type int. One is tail x, 100, size of array is 100, and the other is tail y and size is 100, and a variable and tail. We have declared an enum with the name e direction. Stop, first value is 0, the second 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we have write a function setup with return type would means this function will return nothing, and then you can read the definition of the function. Game over equals false, dir equals stop, x equals width divided by 2, and y equals height divided by 2. Then we say fruit x equals rand is a function is used to randomly generate numbers. Fruit y will also be generated randomly. Okay, next we will get into the definition of function draw. Void draw. I will post the link of complete coding in description, so you can get it from there. Try to read it carefully. Then get into the definition of draw. System clear screen first of all we have cleared this screen and then started a for loop to make the border of window. Then again nested loops, loop, two loops, loop within loop. So here is a condition if j equal, just to make the border of game, and that is, this loop is to make the snake. Next, this is an if condition. Next, one more if condition just for the border, and till here our border is have been completed. In draw we just this draw function is only we have used for the border, to draw the border and to draw the snake. See out score, this we have used for score. As we will eat more fruit, our score will be increasing. Then we have written one more function, declared a void input, and its definition we have used a switch statement. You can see one more function we have declared of return type void, and function name is logic. We have used a loop here, then a switch statement, here is some coding, and then in our main function we have just simply first of all called the function setup. Then we have started a while loop. If game over is not true, mean we had stored, here you can see we had declared a variable game over of type boolean, mean this variable can store only 0 or 1. So if game over is false, then call these functions draw, input, logic, sleep, etc., and then return 0 system pass. In sleep we have called this function sleep 100, mean 1 nanosecond. If we want to move our snake slowly, we can increase the amount of nanoseconds. For example, I want to sleep the snake for 1.5 nanoseconds. If you want it to sleep for 1 whole second, then you have to write here 1000, but I just want to sleep my snake for only 1.5 nanoseconds. It will slow down the snake. You can see now snake will move slowly. Now whatever. So if you want to move it more slowly, you can write it 500, 5000, not 5000, I want to write 500. Now you can see your snake will move much slowly. So I will prefer 200. Okay, that's enough speed. So hope you have learned something today and you have learned how we can make a game using C++. Put a like on my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.